Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best macro lens under $50 or rupees 3000 for any smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see here I have one macro lens, and when you purchase this macro lens, what you're gonna get is one carry pouch and one glass rubbing cloth. So you will get only these things when you purchase this macro lens. So you might be thinking which macro lens right now I'm holding in my hand, right? So this macro lens is from the company named as Epixel, and I will gonna show you by going to its official website from where you can buy, and I will be leaving this product's purchase link too in the video description, so you can click there and you can check out all the details. But right now I will show you a quick overview by taking you to its official website. So you can see here, this is the official website from where you can purchase this macro lens. So you will get this website or the product link in the video description, so you can click there. And let me show you the price here. As you can see, it's almost less than 3000 rupees. And let me show you some specifications about here. So you can see here the focus distance, the minimum is 2 and the maximum is the 20 centimeter. And the focus depth is, you can see here, 4 centimeter, and magnification is 10x. So you can see here some clearly mentioning on the phone camera zoom 1.7x. you need to zoom in with 1.7x to remove the black border in the photo mode, and 1.3x zoom in the video mode. So kindly note this instruction if you are using this macro lens. So what's special about this macro lens is this macro lens is named as a Prosumer QX mobile macro lens, high depth, high focus distance. That means this macro lens is made from the DSLR camera glasses. So let me show you the description here. So you can see here the lens is made from the old DSLR high quality and sharp glasses. So you can read the descriptions once you visit its official website. Now in order to use this, you need to press this lens cover and just open it. So you can see here the glass here, and behind there is a clip. So you can see here to clip it on your smartphone. So now in order to use it, just clip it on your main camera. So in my case it's in the center, so just clip it and adjust it. So once you're done with your alignment, just open the camera application. Now you can see here round separate, right? So now what you need to do is, in order to fix this, it's already mentioned in its website also, just zoom it to 1.6x in order to remove the black borders. So I have fixed it. So now let me try to bring a small object so you can see how small this toy is. So let me take a picture of it. So you can see here how much close I can bring it. So you can see here the minimum is the 2 centimeter. So you can see here once you get on the focus, just click on it, and from the 20 centimeter also, as you can see here, if you take in the far way also you can take it, and you can bring closer to the 2 centimeter. As you can see here, it's quite close, right? So you can see here it clearly takes the photo. So considering its price, you are getting a very good macro lens, and the good thing about it is that the glass is made from the original DSLR glass. So the clarity of this photo is quite good comparing its price. So in my opinion, I think it's one of the best macro lens that you can buy under $50 or 3000 rupees for any smartphones out there. So if you never known about this cool gadgets, then you should definitely check it out by yourself. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.